If you guys recreate any of these ideas, make sure you guys tag me. And also, if you guys see anyone recreating any of these, also tag me because I would love to see. I love being on Instagram and I see you guys recreating some things that you guys seen in my videos and some videos that I've seen. I'm like, oh, she must watch my videos. But that's super cute, and make sure you guys tag me. Okay, now onto the video. Hey guys, it's your girl Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also give me a like and comment your website down below. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your lip gloss packaging look really, really cute for $1. So you can get all of these things that I'm going to show you guys at Dollar Tree. And I want to show you guys what I got, and I also have a few extra things that I want to show you guys. So I know that some of you guys are young or you don't want to invest a lot of money in your business. So I'm trying to give you guys different ways that you could still be successful or just make your stuff look really, really cute and professional on a budget. First, let's do a haul. What I got from Dollar Tree. At this point, Dollar Tree needs to sponsor me. It's going to need some decorative shred, $1. Blue dots. I have these little cute boxes. These are usually at every Dollar Tree that I go to. I got these little buckets. They're called favor sets. So they just look like that. I got some cute little favor boxes. Here's another thing that I always see at every Dollar Tree. They usually have these in gold, white, or like red and green for Christmas. So I've used these for my business like ever since like 2016. I got some clear bags. These are usually at every Dollar Tree. This is glitter paper. I usually use these for the bottom of my eyelash boxes. Of course, you can get it free from your vendor, but if you're looking for like a color that matches your business, if they don't have it or whatever, you can check out Dollar Tree. They have a few colors to choose from. I usually get the gold. What you're going to need is some type of like cardboard or paper backing, and it's not card stock at all. So you could use this, you could use paper as well. What I recommend is card stock or construction paper. They do have construction paper at Dollar Tree, so everything is under $1. I already had cardstock at home, so I didn't need to buy any. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways. This is cardstock as well. Another thing that you're going to need is labels. These are just some labels that are that I can't use for my business because they're like defected or whatever, but I'm going to use them for this video. So, and I didn't want to print out new labels just for the video, so I'm going to use those ones. And then I also have custom ribbon. Now you can use any ribbon that you want. You can also use the ribbon that's at Dollar Tree. Like I said, I already had custom ribbon at home, so I didn't think that was necessary. I'm going to show you guys how to make cute packaging for your lip gloss business for $1. Okay guys, so I just cut out the little cardstock, and then I did another cardstock and then a regular sheet. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start with are the loop bags. So I'm going to take that out, and they also come with the little ties in the back. That's why I said you didn't have to use ribbon. So let's say someone ordered a pink one and a clear. I cut off like right there. Okay, so you don't have to cut it if you don't want to. Okay, so it just looks like this. And what I'm going to do is make sure that it's in the middle. Let's move on to these. Open it up. They actually come with little cute tags. So that's really cute. And it comes with ribbon. So you don't even have to have your own ribbon. So for these ones, I wanted to use the squeeze tube, but you just want to fill it up. These are 2-inch labels. And then put them right on here. They fit perfectly, actually. That's really cute. So this is how it looks. Really cute. You guys cannot tell me that that is not just so stinking cute. Let's do it one on a handle, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other way. But I think I'm gonna like the handle way a little better. This is just how it looks on here. You can scoot it to the front like that and have it just looks like that. I personally like it like this, so I think this is just so cute. And if you want to keep it extra secured, take one of your bags, open it up. Here's another thing. You can add one of these. Put this inside. Put your bucket inside. Let it sit. So now it's standing. So now it's standing tall. And then you can bunch it up like this and use one of these just to tie it so you can have it wherever you want. Okay. You could keep it like that and add the ribbon that comes with it. Let's tie this like that. You could keep it like this. And then sometimes I don't like how tall that is, so just cut it down. And I think if anybody receives this little cute package, they would really love it. They would really love that. So the other way I was saying for the ribbon is to not have it right there and just put the custom ribbon right there. So let me show you guys that. You can have it like this with the custom ribbon. You could tie it around if you want. It's just up to you. So this looks really, really cute. Now we're gonna move on to the little cute favorite boxes. So these are from Dollar Tree as well. Let me get it out. So they're like cardstock, but they're not like really, really thick. And then this is how it looks in the inside. So it just looks a little plain. So we gotta spice her up. So let's, of course, if you need to spice anything up, just get some of this. Let's just act like this person just bought a lot of lip gloss. Let's go ahead and add our business cards inside of here. So add that one. And then this one, you can just put thank you and the person's name, or tell her a cute code or a message. Let's just put it right here. So this looks really, really cute. On the other one, I did like a long ribbon, so I wanted to show you guys a short ribbon. Short ribbons like this are also really good because you're using less ribbon, so you would be able to use it for like more orders and stuff. This idea is so stinking cute. I honestly can't choose like which one I like. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments like which ones you guys like after the video's over, because I definitely want to know. Ones we got is these flower boxes. Check it out. These come with 5 in a pack. Now these are cardstock. If you guys want to watch the video on my custom boxes, make sure you guys go to my channel and check out that video. My lip gloss tubes that I have are a tad bit too big for this box. There is too many lip gloss tubes that I purchased from another brand, and I know a lot of you guys sell these different tubes and stuff, so these will be perfect for those. So you want to go ahead and put your decorative shred in, put the lip gloss tubes in. That's how the little box looks. Here are the measurements. So there we go right there. So it just looks like this. This is for if you can't print off your the cards how I showed you guys on this one. So this is how it looks, and of course on this one you can add your business cards and all of that, and then the back just has a logo sticker. So the last thing that we're going to be talking about today are these gift boxes. So it comes 3 in a pack, and they're different sizes. They have like a little padding. You guys can take that out or leave it in. It's up to you. So of course we're going to grab some of our pink shred. Put that in all of them. I would just add my business cards right on top of that or underneath it, however you guys want to. Okay, so as you guys can see, I wrapped a bow around this. This is really cute. I'm just gonna really quickly show you guys this one. So I just added 2 in here. You could probably fit about 6 lip glosses in that one and in here. And you could add about 2 or 3 in this one as well. So let's close these ones. If you have logo stickers, you could use this as well. But just take your logo sticker and you can put it right there. So it just looks like that. And if you have the white boxes, because they do have these in white, it'll look even better. Place your business cards on top. And then let's wrap the ribbon around that. So here's how it looks. I do this with my palettes. So I have my logo sticker. The logo stickers are 2 inches, so those fit perfectly on here as well. So, and then I'm just going to add the ribbon. So this is if you just want to put the business cards in the inside and you want the logo sticker. So I'm just trying to give you guys multiple ways to do this. It's just up to you what you want to do. So the business cards are inside of here. This one has no logo stickers, so if you don't have logo stickers, it's still going to be cute, and the business cards are inside of there as well. And then we have this one with the logo sticker and the business cards on the outside. I think this is a really cute, affordable way for your lip gloss business. Let me know if you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you guys help me out by hitting the subscribe button and also leaving your website down below. I have webinars, I have labels for sale, and I also have a wholesale girl boss page. It's called Shop Pretty and Paid. Everything will be linked down in the description box. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys let me know down in the comments, and make sure you also subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. I will be uploading again soon. Yeah, let me know down in the comments which idea do you guys like the best. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.